Okay, we had a bit of a diversion there, which one will. Okay, if we're going to separate this from this, or this from this, what we're going to do is C major chord. First finger on, first finger off, the first fret of the B string. Then your pinky, okay, goes on the third fret of the B string. Check that out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third fret of the B string right there. Check that out. That's where your pinky goes, all right? So, step 1, C chord. Step 2, open B. Step 3, pinky on third fret of the B. B for babble, burble, bicker, banter, brouhaha, all right? So, what I would do to practice this is I would strum 1, then 2, then 3. Remember in the other video where I was like, well, I really want to hear Dust and Wind because that was my friend's favorite song. Could you play it for me? Yes. But, you know, if I were practicing it, I would do it that way. I would just sit down. There, that's what I would do. There you go. And I would get to that. All right. That's how I would do that. And if I knew another fingering pattern that I was learning for another song, I might go... Oh, I don't know. I mean, I would just riff like that for whatever, how long, make a loop, and then solo over for a while. Whatever. You can always move things around, too. There you go. Have fun. Let's see what else. That's all for that. Yeah. All right. You know. All right.